Okay guys, this is Unama signing in again once again in YouTube. Today I won't teach you another tutorial, but I want to leave you a message, okay? YouTube, I want to leave you this message, okay? Guys, if you want the link to some of my tools, subscribe and tell there what tools you want. Okay? Sincerely yours, Uno Mas Mo. If you want some of my tools, leave a message there and type the kind of tools you want, and if I do have time and maybe as fast as I could, I will give you the link, okay? I will send you the link in your YouTube account and download it, okay? You may scan it with your antivirus for you to be if you're not sure that it's clean, okay? So guys, this is Unoma signing out. Okay, if you want the link of some of my tools, subscribe and I'll give you the link in your YouTube account. I'll send the link there and you have to download it yourself, okay? That's all. So bye guys, love you. Mwah.